Little storyteller.
Whiskers the cat was a sleek gray kitty with bright green eyes. He loved his tall cat tree. It was covered in soft, brown fuzzy stuff, and it had a cozy little cave at the very top. Blue the dog was big and bouncy with floppy ears and a wagging tail. He loved Whiskers, and he wanted to do everything Whiskers did. "Look, Blue," purred Whiskers. He leaped onto the first platform of the cat tree. It was easy for him. Then, with another graceful jump, he was on the second platform. Finally, he curled up in the little cave at the very top, looking down with a happy blink. Blue wagged his tail excitedly. He put his big paws on the bottom of the cat tree. He tried to climb, but the tree wiggled. "Woof!" barked Blue, a little surprised. He tried again, pushing with his strong legs. The cat tree groaned and wobbled. Whiskers peeked his head out of the cave, his ears twitching. Suddenly, a bright red ball rolled by. Blue loved balls. He forgot all about the wobbly cat tree, and chased after the bouncy red ball. Whiskers watched from the top of his tree, his tail swishing gently. He saw Blue having so much fun, running and leaping. Whiskers jumped down from the cat tree. He nudged the red ball with his nose, then chased it with Blue. They ran and played together in the sunny room. Blue was happy chasing the ball, and Whiskers was happy playing with his friend. Later, they were both tired. Whiskers curled up on the softest pillow on the couch. Blue lay his big head gently beside him on the floor. Even though Blue couldn't climb the cat tree, they could still have lots of fun playing together in other ways. Cats are good at climbing, and dogs are good at running. Everyone is good at something different.
Please subscribe. Thank you.